You are welcome to Emmanuel Crypto. And in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you'll be able to make 40,000 naira free. I tell you, by just doing a particular simple task, and that is what we'll be able to make from now until around on 15. You'll be able to make $40,000. That is why you just need to watch this video step by step, because I'll be sharing with you the process on how to make this particular money. The first one, which I say as a criteria, is that you have to have the active app. Yes, for you to be eligible, because this thing is happening on the Active platform. Active is a mining platform. It's a Web3 program whereby brands give them, and we watch this particular ads. From there, they pay us in their token, which is currently have a price. Let me show you the current price of my 2,182 Active token now. So you'll be surprised and be shocked that the price is actually increasing, and you can see now the current price of this 2,183 is around 21, and they have been doing a lot of burning. So for you to be able to participate in this particular program, I have created a lot of video which you need to watch, which I'll be dropping in the description of this particular video and also in the comment section. So let's go to their X account and see that particular post. So here now, this is the Active X. This is their verified account. You can see here that is their verified account, and you could see that post is the one appearing on their pin post. And you can see they say win, I kid you not. It's a win your share of $40 Active, $40 in the mining game airdrop. So this video is to show you the step by step on how to participate in it and for you to be eligible. So I will also be showing you what you just need to do. So the first criteria you need to do after downloading this particular app is to interact with Active X tweet. So you have to have interact. I'll be dropping the link of this particular post in the description of this particular video so that you could interact with them. Number two is that you have to be following the Active platform. You could see I myself am following them. I'm already part of people that is also participating in the particular campaign. You could see I'm following them. So I'll be dropping the link so you too likewise can follow them. Who knows, you might be lucky to be one of the lucky winners. So another thing you need to do is to retweet this post with your wallet address. So a lot of people have been doing it with a long way, asking, they don't actually know what the wallet address is. So I'll be showing you how you could possibly copy your wallet address. You could see I've liked this their particular post. I've liked it and I also bookmarked it. And oh whoa, let me just retweet because it's one of the conditions. So currently I've actually retweeted it, and let me show you. So when you come to your Active app here, you come down to this particular place. Let me show you. So if you are here on your app, what you need to do is to tap on this your balance you have, this your Active balance, that manage app place. You tap on it, you could see two keys there. You could see you see transfer. That means if you want to transfer to somebody, you could see receive, and you can see scan. So what we will do is that we'll tap on this particular receive, and this particular receive, you could see two address. So I'll be sharing with you the one you need to do. You could see one address here and you can see one here. So the first, as I say, and you can also use this one, but this one share the QR code to receive Actor from another Web3 wallet address. So this is another link. This one they say share the Actor to receive Actor from another account. So they will be sending from their own personal Actor account. So this is the link you have to copy, this particular one here that you can see the arrow is pointing to. So after you have copied, don't worry, the link to this particular tweet, I'll be dropping it in the description of this particular video. So if you haven't liked, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. And also, if you have any question about this particular campaign, please kindly drop it in the comment of this particular video. So you come, you start up on this message, you drop your Active address there. So that is not alone. Another thing you need to do, which is another criteria, is that you have to tag 3 friends. Okay, no, before that, you have to follow Active Telegram channel. When you scroll down, you'll be seeing the links to their Telegram channel. Yeah, this is the link to their Telegram channel. You just have to follow it. Another one is that you have to tag 3 friends. So I know on your X account you must be having more than 3 friends. So just tag a random 3 friends on it. So these are just what you need to do for you to be qualified. And also you can just read. And this campaign is starting all the way from April 1st. You can still start now till April 15th when the distribution will be shared. So you can see that a lot of people have been participating. You can see this is my ex account and this is my own. You could see this is my, and you could see a lot of people are joining. You could see, I say a lot of people will be doing the wrong way. You could see this is not the address they asked them to. You could see that everyone's address is starting with the act of. So you just need to do this so that you could participate in this free $40 paying. So if you have any question, please kindly drop it in the description of this particular video and I'll be there to answer you. Thank you. Bye bye for now.